Yeah, I'm not sure. To me, this was kind of a dumb idea.
Stupid.
Is this the one, honey?
I don't know.
Look at you.
This is high. This is high.
You want it back a little bit?
Turn it on right here. Middle button. Press and hold. See it light up. I'll hold on to it. Hey guys, Richard here from eBike Reviews and Adventures. I've got Larry and Kerry.
Hi, Richard.
Whoa.
You're the best. Thank you.
He says Richard's the best. You guys hear that? Give me a like and a thumbs up. Hey, so they're here today, just kind of test riding a couple of things.
This guy's the best.
Oh, he says I'm the best. Look at him go. Yeah, so they're here just test riding a few things, getting familiar. We're going to take a right here, Larry. If you watch my videos, you should know that.
What's that?
See, when you get on that throttle a little bit, how it kind of spins out a little bit and goes? Is that too much for you, or are you kind of getting used to it? Yeah, good.
Yeah.
What's up? I'll buy them online, man. You didn't have to wait, but thank you. I get stopped all the time when I'm out and about.
Oh, you do.
What's fun is when I'm out and about and somebody yells my name, Richard! Hey, I know you! That's fun.
Nice that you know.
Yeah, that's kind of fun.
I think it started with YouTube.
By accident? I'll tell you that story in a minute. I can hear honking over here, so occasionally you do the same thing where you got a little ghost pedaling where the bike is going faster than what you're pedaling, so. I'm going to let you go first. You can go right between those cars right there. It might feel just a little wobble as you come up the driveway right here. And the tire might spin out too, because you're going uphill a little bit, so sometimes the tire will spin. All right.
Put the lock on if I'm like this.
Yeah, you can squeeze it and then push it down. Oh, not quite enough. Got to go a little. There you go. And it'll sit in place for you. No, this isn't. Oh, this. Yeah, I'm sorry. This is the foldable one. So this is the TK1. This is their #1 model.
Let me try
Currently, absolutely. And we'll take you out to the street if so. A little reach. But that one has a suspension seat post too, so it bounces a little bit up and down. Is that going to be okay?
Yeah.
Well, let's take it down here. Now, that seat can be made to go a little lower, but we have to change out the seat post.
Okay.
Because what comes with the bike will go a little bit lower for you.
Okay.
About 1.5 inches.
Okay.
I put a suspension seat post on this to make it more comfortable, but that raises it up about 1.5 inches.
Okay.
Now, here's something else too. When you turn around, this one's going to feel different than that one right there.
Yeah.
And this one might feel like it wants to tip a little bit because that's the nature of trikes, because there's not 2 wheels, there's 1.
Right.
So when you get ready to turn, do not pedal, because if you start to turn, start to pedal, the bike's going to want to take off and go.
Okay.
Cause problems for you.
When I'm turning this way, I go like this with my body? Or I go the
Inside.
opposite?
Always inside. So if you're turning this way,
I'm going this way.
lean that way.
Okay.
Easy on the throttle and you'll feel it take off. And just remember when you turn around, nice and slow, and only use your throttle when you're turning, so you can maintain the speed. It does. That's a lot of people's complaint, that it's a little too fast on the startup. Hey guys, Richard here, eBike Reviews and Adventures. So we started this video a short while ago, but my microphone wasn't working, so I'm not sure how much of that footage is going to work, but we've got Larry and Kerry here visiting us today. They came out to look at the brand new Sixthreezero Easy Glide Recumbent trike, and Kerry just rode that and she likes it. She's got knee problems, so she was looking for a recumbent style. This style bike that she's on now, which is the Moon Cool, gives her a lot of trouble on her knee. So she started out on the Sixthreezero. She really likes it, but while they're here today, they want to test a couple other things, so that's what they're doing. So here she comes on the Moon Cool TK1. She thinks it's a little zippy. She wants to go a little slower. See if she's getting used to it.
Very fast.
It is fast. But now you're moving, it seems like you're kind of comfortable with it. I mean, it is something you can get used to, but it's not a comfortable feeling for sure. Oh, here comes Larry. Come on. What do you think so far?
This thing is incredible.
Isn't it cool?
Feel the wheels
Yeah, it will. He says it's incredible. Yeah, I don't have microphones yet for riders like this, so you won't always hear what they're saying, but maybe in the future we can set something up. So you made that turn just fine, nice and slow. Yeah. Love it, love it. I love introducing folks to new bikes. I love introducing people to e-bikes in general. Sometimes we get people out here that want to test ride something. They've never touched an e-bike before. And so I get to go through and kind of explain all the safety features and how to ride and how to be safe. And because that's my biggest concern, you know, somebody get on one of the bikes and then they have an accident. But they have both ridden them before a little bit. And I tell you what, they seem to be really enjoying themselves. There you go, nice and slow, Kerry. Good job. Nice and slow. You never want to pedal when you're in a turn because you engage that motor, and some bikes or trikes go a little faster and it'll shoot you out there faster than what you want to go while you're trying to make a turn. So I explained to them to only use your throttle when you're turning and just go real easy on it. All right. You guys want to go for a little longer of a ride? I'll grab a trike and we'll take off. It's up to you whether or not you are comfortable doing it.
Yes.
Okay, perfect.
My legs feel okay.
Larry also just rode the Magicycle Ocelot Pro, and boy, he really liked that as a regular bike. And I like all their bikes, so.
This one's a little whiny sometimes, the motor.
It is. Yep, sure is.
This one you just have to take off and then start pedaling?
No, you can start pedaling right now.
Oh, okay.
I just, because she's new, I tell people to start with the throttle just to get the feel of it.
This one doesn't have the Shimano shifter, right?
What's that?
This one doesn't have the shifter on it.
This is a single speed.
Single speed bike.
That's why when you start going a little faster, you start ghost pedaling because there's no gears to go through.
Got you.
Yeah.
What's your opinion? You think you should have a shifter on these bikes?
It depends on how fast you want to ride. If you're gonna go slow like this, no, it's not necessary at all. If you want to go out to the 15 or 16 miles per hour, yeah. Because if you don't, all you're doing is ghost pedaling, which is just freely spinning, and there's no resistance. And when you do that, you don't have to pedal fast. You just got to pedal a little bit, but the bike's going to go as long as you got it up here in 5. Try it out.
The woman, yeah, it's going to take off.
Yeah, it's going to take off. And as long as you pedal, it's going to keep going faster until about 15 or so. All right. And as you build up your confidence and you want to go faster, you know all you got to do is change it to number 2 or number 3. And
What I would do?
yep. Yeah, that's okay. You do what you want to do there. It's the seat. The seat makes all the difference, in my opinion. Because it's like sitting in an office chair, you know? I mean,
What made
that,
them think of that? I have no idea.
you know, you got a seat this wide compared to a seat this wide, you know? I mean,
No, but it's the back. It's the back. Like I'm leaning
Yeah.
on the back. I mean,
yeah, you're utilizing the back the way it was intended. This doesn't do a whole lot for you,
Yeah.
you know? All right, so. Hey, I am in no rush, so if you want to go for a longer ride, I don't want to wear you out. You drove here a couple hours, so if you want to take something else, you want to take out that rickshaw right there?
That'd be good in downtown Tampa for a pedicab rider.
Well, did you see he's got a new version this year, and he's got another seat.
I saw that in the back. When you got Amanda on that. She didn't look.
No. I'm talking about he's got another version now
with the
that has
extra-
another 2 tires and another seat back here.
I did see that.
Yep.
I did see that. I saw the one with the little.
Hey, Ron. Come on in here, buddy.
Well, I'm a helper. I'm just a helper.
I know he meant.
He's the off-site maintenance facility manager.
There you go.
I like that.
It's always good when there's a title. You can put that seat way down.
Oh yeah, for sure.
I'm a midget.
Yeah, about that. This is, I was surprised when I got this one. This is super nice. It's a little heavier, but that's right.
Basket doesn't want to go with the bike, huh?
No, they met them on the tube, so. Yeah, it kind of gives you an error because, hey, there's something wrong with the brakes. No, it's just because they were applied. Ron, what can I do for you, buddy?
Nothing. I just ran down to say, hey.
Yeah?
No, don't.
Look at this guy.
Paint all over me.
This guy's filthy. He's hardworking.
Yeah. Uh-huh. He does that to me all the time. Film stuff.
You want to ride something else more? This is your time, so.
I appreciate it. I appreciate it.
Uh-oh, what's wrong? Yeah. Most of them are designed that way because the basket is attached to the head tube, not the front wheel. So it's a little getting used to if you're not used to it. It takes a little bit. It can throw you off. Some people just hate it, but.
Now I'm pushing down on the throttle and it's not going.
All right, is it in?
Got up to a minimum speed.
Nope, nope. Are you in 1? You're in 0. There's a car coming. You might want to scoot to the left right here, or to the right. Yeah, most of them have a 0, which means it doesn't do anything for you. It's like just like a standard bike. No such thing. Right, Ron? No such thing as a perfect bike. But there is a such thing as a close to perfect. Because there's always...
someone who had the electric.
Hey, later.
And,
Yeah, some of these trikes they come in pieces. The Emojo Bison Pro, it came in 3 boxes.
Wow.
And I had to install the back chassis to the main frame. I had to install all the cabling for the brakes, the chain. I had to put it together. Just
putting the axle through.
just everything had to be assembled. Oh,
build on that.
I hated it. I hated it.
This was a simple build, pretty much.
Oh
right?
yeah, real simple, real simple.
It's a nice bike. I don't know. I mean, I like this because you have the shifter. I think that's really important. I don't feel any getting any benefit
took
on
off on me too much. You know. Oh my goodness. Well, thank you so very much. I appreciate
that. You
it.
want to meet Toby?
Oh,
Yeah.
let me grab Toby. Let me bring him out. Toby, come here. He's right there waiting for us. Come on.
Oh my goodness.
The people wants to see you.
Goodness, you are beautiful. Hey, baby. Jackson? Full? Oh, you don't know.
Well, we don't know. He's long-haired, and he needs a haircut at this point. He's starting to get long. But, yeah.
Because the hair, it's not like, like
Right.
not too long hair, like real,
Long straight hair.
Well, we keep him shaved because of the heat, and he's always out here with me. We keep him
Yeah.
shaved, so.
So my hazel.
You smell my hazel.
He's like, oh, all this attention.
So how old's Toby now then?
Almost 7.
Ever ride with?
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Yeah, we've got we got the Toby trailer over there. If you haven't seen those videos, we have a Toby trailer, we call it.
Yeah.
Great.
He loves going for a ride.
So super.
Yeah.
Thank you. Thank you. It's a pleasure meeting you.
Same
man.
here.
Thank you so much.
Glad you enjoyed it.
Really appreciate it.
Uh-oh, can't hear you. What's that?
To take the battery out, you have to take the seat off.
Yeah, if you wanted to take the battery off.
You could also plug it in.
But you don't have to. I don't take my batteries off.
Okay, you just plug them into the...
Yeah, just plug them in right there on the bike. Yeah.
There's a charging port right on the side.
Yep.
Is it a long wire that you have?
They're usually about 6 feet or so. It up.
Are these selling?
These are huge sellers.
I would
Yeah,
imagine.
he did tell me that. He said
So they're
these
not
are
gonna get
selling
rid of
fast. No, they won't get rid of it.
You can get
You
the
know,
purple
it's almost
bike
like
tape.
he's in California, and it's almost like a beach color or something. I think he was
Yeah.
trying to go with. I don't really know, but
It's okay.
it is. It's okay,
No,
but not
when
great.
I was emailing them, I said it's dull. That's how I said it's dull.
I'm going to give him all this feedback, and maybe he'll actually like, okay, we'll change things up. I mean, the rickshaw, he made it in a blue, and that other little trike there, he made that one in a blue, which, in my opinion, this blue looks a lot better than that
Yes.
creamy yellow.
Yes.
Yeah, the blue is real nice.
So,
Beautiful color with those wheels on it.
and he's got some regular bikes that have some pastel type
Yes,
colors and
yeah,
stuff.
I've
So
seen those.
they look nice,
Yeah.
but
Must have had a sale on the cream paint.
I don't know. That's just his signature color.
It was great meeting you, man.
Same here. Enjoyed it. It's lots of fun.
Again, one more
Always
time,
lots of fun.
Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you.
Thanks for making the trip.
Really,
Hopefully it was
appreciate it.
hopefully it was worth
The
it.
trip again when you
I hope you do.
Come and see you.
Love to see you again.
Absolutely.
Love to see you again.
Thank you
Get a
so
pickup
much.
truck. I'll bring the bikes out. We'll go for a ride.
Do that. Hey, I've always got plenty here, so you can use anything I've got. We'll go for a longer ride.
Thank you, thank you.
And next month, the weather will be a little nicer.
Yes, it's just
Well, actually,
but it's important. I think it was really important for her to just get out and sit on it. Like we have a saying when we go
It
furniture
is.
shopping, tush to the cush.
yeah,
You
absolutely.
can't
It's
buy furniture without sitting in it.
nope.
you
It's
know?
hard to buy a bike online, 'cause especially at this price, and not know.
Yeah.
At least he's got that return policy. He's the only one that has a return policy
how do you
like that.
return it? I
Put it
mean,
in the box.
You have
do
to.
they pick it up? I mean, do you
Yeah,
have to
he'll
bring it someplace or?
No, they'll pick it up. UPS will, or excuse me, FedEx. FedEx will come and pick it up.
That's amazing. I'm surprised that
But-
guys must hate delivering them sometimes, you know?
You know,
They roll them off.
Richard, I got another bike for you. I hear it all the time. Yeah, I know. I'm expecting 2 tomorrow. Thanks.
You gotta be nice to them at Christmas.
Yep, I always try to take care of them.
A box of candy or something.
Yep,
and
a gift card.
I'm real happy.
Yep.
All right, all the best to you.
Thanks,
you
appreciate
so
it. Nice
very
meeting you both.
much. I
Safe travels.
appreciate it.
Yeah, be safe going home.
Thank you so much.
All right, guys, you saw the video. You saw some of the interaction, and yeah. So I don't know what Larry and Kerry are going to end up doing, but they really like the 630 for a lot of reasons, and a couple of the reasons a couple of things they don't care for is things that I have already mentioned to Dustin, the owner, and that is she wishes the seat would go back a little bit further because she does have knee problems, and it'd be a little more comfortable going back a little further. And she doesn't care for the color. She's wanting some, nice pastel type colors or something. So she's not a big fan of the color. And there's a little small concern about how fast it goes. Although after she rode it for a little bit, she realized that she can control the speed with the throttle, and she started getting more comfortable. So I think we're past that. But the biggest thing is she's not sure about the seat. So that's a concern. While she was here, she was able to test ride a couple other things, and she rode the Mooncool. So she really likes that. And she didn't think she would because she actually rode somebody else's, and it bothered her knee a lot. And she thinks it was the same model, but she's not sure. But riding this one, she really liked it. So, and she likes that they have a lot of different colors. What they don't like about the Mooncool is that it's a lot faster in pedal assist 1, and it really is. So when you set it in pedal assist 1 and start to pedal, man, it just takes off with you. And a lot of folks don't like that. They want a nice, comfortable, slow, easy go. And so that's a little bit of a concern for her. And Larry doesn't like the fact that it's a single speed. So you're just kind of ghost pedaling. After you get going a little bit, it's a lot of ghost pedaling. You can't keep up. So we'll see if Mooncool makes any changes there in the future. But I tell you what, they still liked it a lot. Still like this bike a lot. And let's see here. Larry had a chance to test ride the Foucaire. He learned that he doesn't like it when the basket is mounted to the head tube because the basket does not turn when you turn the wheel. So that was kind of a little freakish for him, and I completely understand. It was hard for me too in the very beginning. And the bike's just it's a heavier bike, and so he wasn't too fond of that. He really liked the Magicycle Ocelot Pro, and for good reason, because that is an outstanding bike. So yeah, he really seemed to enjoy that one. So yeah, that was our visit with Larry and Kerry, and I appreciate them making the trip down here for about a 2-hour drive to come visit us, do our visit today, and test out a few things. Hopefully we helped them get a little bit closer to making a decision at least on what bike or on what trike they want for them. But guys, that's going to be it for this video. So give me a like and a thumbs up, drop any comments down below, and I'll see you in another video real soon. Ride responsibly and ride safe.